Good evening. My name is Jeff Nice. I'm your child's integrated 3H teacher for the school year 2021-2022. Glad to be back in school. It's nice to start the year, and hopefully we'll get to finish the year in person in class this year rather than anything on Zoom. Much more beneficial to all parties, I believe. I'm going to give you a little background about myself today, and as well as how to access the Blackboard and how to use the Blackboard to the best of what you can do for your child or what they can use it for as well. So again, my name is Jeff Nice. This is my 20th year teaching, 18 of them here at Lower Marion. I spent 2 years up at Palisades High School in Upper Bucks County. I'm a graduate of Penn Ridge High School back in the 90s. And I have a degree from Millersville University in mathematical education, as well as actuarial science. I have 2 older brothers. They are twins. One is a math teacher, Pepper Horsham, and the other one is an actuarial scientist. I have 2 children. My daughter is in 9th grade, so very similar age as to those who I'm teaching right now. She's 15, and my son is 12, and he is in 7th grade. And we live up in the Saracen School District. My wife is a nurse at Quakertown School District in one of the elementary schools there. So we are all involved in the school system one way or another. So this year in Integrated 3H is my first year teaching this particular course. So I'm learning to an extent of how the course works with your child. Content, though, obviously I know that very well and can elaborate on it to the extent that the curriculum allows me to do so. It's definitely one of those discovery learning types of curriculums. So if your child comes home a little frustrated saying they don't understand how to do, for instance, a logarithm, that's perfectly acceptable because they haven't been taught how to do logarithms yet. All they should know about a logarithm at this point is that it is the inverse of an exponential function. Kind of end of story right now. We'll get more into depth of that as we go. So it is a discovery learning process. So it's something that they need to kind of go with the flow a little bit as we go through that. So I'm going to share the screen here, and we're going to go to the Blackboard, and I'll help you navigate the Blackboard, the weekly plans, and where to find other important information. So I have 2 sections, set 2 and a set 6. So these are the set 2 plans. This is the default home screen. So if you're in set 2, your weekly plans are the default screen. We have links on here. So we were doing pulling the rabbit out of the hat last unit, and it takes you directly to the sheet that we were doing, working with inverses, inputs and outputs, talking about a little magic trick where you get to pick any number. You do a couple of operations, then you undo those operations in a similar fashion, and you end up getting the answer you started with. So they worked through these worksheets the other day, trying to figure out how to undo what x plus 8 does, and more difficult functions like how to undo an exponential 2 to the x or a linear function 2x minus 5. So links on the weekly plans for them. If your child is absent, this is definitely where they want to go. They can see the homework links and what we worked on in class. To see the previous week, you're actually going to hit the forward button, forward arrow here. And it takes you back to what we did the previous week and even the week before that as well. Again, if you're in set 6, you want to hit the weekly plans for set 6. And then you can see what they are doing. They are just a day behind of set 2. The syllabus can be found on here as well. Integrated 3H syllabus. Online meeting links can be found on here. Like I said, first year teaching, I have not put a link up yet. In the event that the link is needed, it will be put up here to my Zoom room. We spent a little bit of time reviewing the first week, functions, linear, quadratic, and exponentials and quadratics. And we are now full well into, 80% into, 4 lessons done of Unit 1 dealing with functions. So inside of each one of these units, there will be, as you can see here with Unit 1, all the updated information going on with each unit there. After Unit 1's done, we'll move on to Unit 2, and that'll be updated with the same information there, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4. So it is a little bit of a work in progress, being as this is my first year, as I mentioned, teaching this particular course. So my Blackboard is not as extensive as my other Blackboards are. I'm going to take you real quick to my financial algebra Blackboard, which I've been teaching this for years. And you can see in there how there's a lot more information going on with each course or each unit that we have stuff inside of each of those units. So I hope you found this helpful. Again, the integrated 3H weekly plans will probably be the most beneficial part of the Blackboard for you. And feel free to reach out with an email with any questions. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good evening.